Issue number 1918, DRC continues to transmit after end of application. On all our 809361 base platforms, we set the transceiver mode to frequency division duplex. At the end of the application previously, we did nothing to close it out or shut it down. So what this change does is adds the ability to, when the application successfully ends, to be able to turn off the transmitter and move back to alert mode. This is the state machine. So in order to do so, two control operations were added to the digital radio controller for all the platforms, the stop and the release. On the release, we added this release config, and that calls the controller shutdown. And the controller shutdown is just using the NoSO application to set the enable state machine back to alert mode. So the idea, the stop config is if you're switching configurations during runtime, and then the release is when you've successfully terminated the application and close everything up, type of thing. So that's been done for the Z board and FM comms, the ZCU 104, as well as the E310 and the Pluto SDR. Another change in this merge is so there was a previous issue where we were unable to receive manual mode and auto. So these two lines will. So the previous issue fixed the manual and auto, but then the gain DB wasn't being updated. So this change allows that to be updated for both receive and transmit. It was only working for transmit. So to demonstrate the change, I'm going to run the FSK modem application. This is the standard FSK modem application in server mode. I'm using OCPI remote. I've already used the OCPI remote load and start, and my environment variable OCPI library path is set to core, platform, assets, and the OSP for the E310 artifacts directory. These are all the artifacts directory. Once all that is set, you can run the application. I'm just using the V for verbosity and then just for 10 seconds. Have a spectrum analyzer attached to the transmit of the E310. As you can see, we have FSK mode, FSK waveform transmitting, and at the 10 seconds, it's going to terminate and the transmitter is turned off. If you were to run this previous to this merge, it would continue to transmit the last sample, so it would just be a steady tone, and that's not something you want to happen.